Regal Vice, manufacturer of the world's best fly tying vices and accessories. Hello, I'm Michael McAuliffe. Today we're going to teach you how to assemble your medallion pedestal or C-clamp vise, attach your material clip. We're also going to teach you how to switch your vise from left hand to right hand operation. Let's get started. Let's talk first about a pedestal vise. You've unpacked the contents of the box. Inside you'll find your pedestal base, your head, swivel, and stem assembly, the O-ring and spring that make up your material clip, provided Allen key, and your warranty card. To assemble the vise, simply pick up the head, swivel, and stem assembly, extend the head out, go ahead and put the stem into the base, tighten the thumb screw. Now what we're going to do is adjust the head. So take your provided Allen key, put it into the cap screw. What you want to do is tighten it up to your preference. Now some tires like it so they can freely move the head of the vise up and down. Others like it so it's locked in place. If you like it locked in place, go ahead and put a little more tension on that cap screw. Let's assemble the material clip. Take the spring and O-ring. What you're looking to do is find the open end on your spring. Once you find the open end on the spring, go ahead and insert the O-ring into the space. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Takes a little bit of tension. When you're finished, you should have this configuration. Go ahead and take that, simply slide it over the head of your vise. The nice thing about this is that you can keep it up front, you can move it a little bit further back. So you're all set up and ready to tie. All you have to do is drop your hook in, close the jaw, and you're tying. Next we'll assemble a C-clamp vise. You've unpacked the contents of the box. Inside you'll find your C-clamp, your head, swivel, and stem assembly. We covered the material clip in the last segment, your provided Allen key, and your warranty card. So pick up your C-clamp. Make sure you open it up enough so that it can fit over the surface you're going to place it on. Put it on there. Simply tighten the thumb screw at the bottom of the clamp. Get it on there nice and tight. Next you're going to extend the head out. Place it into your C-clamp. Adjust it for height. Moves up and down. Tighten the thumb screw on the outside. Next we're going to adjust the head of the vise. Take your provided Allen key, put it in the cap screw. Leave it a little bit looser if you want your head to be able to freely move up and down. Some tires prefer it locked in one position. If you like it locked in one position, tighten up that cap screw a little bit more. We covered the material clip in the last segment, so when it's put together you have this configuration. Simply slip that over the head of your jaws. Place it where you like it, up front or a little bit further back. All you have to do now is squeeze the handle, insert the hook, and you're ready to tie. So the last thing we're going to cover today is converting your Regal vise from left hand to right hand operation. All Regals come out of the box set up to tie for righties. So if you're a lefty, what you need to do is tip your head assembly all the way up. You'll see right here there's a cap screw. What you need to do at this point is acquire yourself a 7/64 Allen key. Insert that into the cap screw. Give it, I don't know, 3 turns or so. Loosen that up. Now what you need to do at this point is wiggle this. It's tapered on the inside, so you have to break it free a little bit to move it down enough to switch it to the other side. Once it's loose, simply switch it from the far side to the close side. Now what you want to do here is make sure that before you tighten this back up, you leave room between the handle and the body of the head assembly. If you push it too far like this, the handle will hit the body of the head assembly and your jaw won't open all the way. So leave a little bit of room between those two. Go ahead and tighten it back up with that 7/64 Allen key. Tighten it back up. Put your head back to the position you like to tie in, and you're all set up to tie lefty. Simply squeeze the lever, Open the jaw, insert your hook, and you're tying. Regal Vise, manufacturer of the world's best fly tying vices and accessories.